Good morning, guys. Sean here with Mopar Vibes. We're here at the Mad Bombers car show, the 11th annual car show. They just put it in a new location at Pioneer Park. It's a couple towns over from where it usually is. Mad Bombers is a classic, I would also say a rat rod style car club, but they have an open class car show and it's phenomenal. So let's check it out.
Ever seen the sky light up like this? I'm far away from Earth and I wanna know if you exist. Mission control, do you read me? Send me my coordinates lately. Mission control, am I drifting? Tie me to someone who will love me. Yeah, wait, I think I'll last a bit longer. Find another reason to breathe this air, and that we made for ourselves. This won't be the last time. Oh, never in my life have I seen the sky light up like this. I'm far away from Earth and I wanna know if you exist. Mission control, do you read me? Oh, never in my life did I want to see you more than this. And every time you're